Want to know how to download a video or any images in Dola AI on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application on your phone. So we have also created various videos on how to use Dola AI, so make sure to watch it on our channel. So once you're onto this interface, you need to generate a video. So I have this chat with me right here, which I have generated a video. So in order to download it, you can just simply open up the video right here, and you can just simply see save right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected save, your video should be saved on your gallery in a while, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily save any AI generated videos or images in Dola AI. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.